So in my role, I have several different roles. My main sort of administrative responsibilities at the time are serving as the medical director for our clinical decision unit. And what that is sort of, it is a department that will be carved out in the emergency room where patients who are not quite unstable enough to be admitted to the hospital, but not quite stable enough to go home, they sort of are in that medium of sort of their health care or their illness. And so what we have been charged and asked to do is, and what we have actually taken on, is the opportunity to care for those patients in the emergency department for a little under 24 hours. And at that time, we sort of make the decision that they're not quite doing as well as we thought they could do, and so we admit them to the hospital, or they turn around pretty drastically and then they're able to go home. I think emergency medicine practice is expanding. We're seeing, increasing number of patients, at least by 4 to 5% actually at the general. It seems closer to more like 11% of volume. And so how we organize ourselves to be able to care for those patients that sometimes are sicker, sometimes have needs that span sort of just the medical realm, but there's social needs as well. So how we organize ourselves to be able to deliver patient-centered, quality, efficient, timely emergency services, I think is always a challenge. In looking at the other scholars and who they are and the experiences that they have had and the contributions they made to the School of Medicine, it's just the company that I'll be joining. I mean, it's absolutely it's incredible.